This is the focus position, and we are using 0 now. Every time we start with 0 to find the focus. Find a plate and weld it at low power. The light is very weak, continue to adjust. Adjusted to the -5 position. Now sparks are flying out. Adjust to the -10 position and try again. This spark is also splashing. Take the middle value and adjust it to the -7 position. We can see that the sparks are very strong. By trying different focus position, when the spark is very strong, it is the focus.